Hey everyone, Monkey Wrench Mike. I am back with another product review. This is the Pelsee P12 Plus. It is, as you can see, a mirror dash cam, 4K up front. It's going to protect you, it's going to protect your family, it's going to protect your vehicle during an accident, it's going to help you avoid an accident, and it's generally going to keep you safe on the road. So let's go ahead and check out everything the P12 Plus has to offer. Let's go ahead and check out what you get in the box. I got to tell you, it is a very well-made unit. This box is heavy. This is your mirror dash cam, all right? It attaches with two straps right here. It goes over your rear view mirror, and it is so much bigger than most of the rear view mirrors. It's gonna increase your view of what's going on behind you. Plus, because there's a rear dash cam, if you don't have a rear dash cam in your vehicle, you've just upgraded yourself to 2025 because it is going to show you everything that's going on behind you. This is very simple to attach. Also in the box, we have all of the things that you need. This right here is the GPS positioning sensor right here. So you attach this to your car, it plugs into the camera, and it tells you where you are on the road. It gives you your road speed, everything that you need. Should there be an accident, it's going to protect you. This is the charging cable right here, so you certainly need that. This is your rear view camera, and there is a ton of cable. So no matter if you drive, a pickup truck or a gigantic station wagon, this is everything that you need. This little bitty thing right here has such a clear view, and it's going to show you exactly what you need to know to stay safe. You also get an instruction manual, you get your double-sided tape, and you get your little bitty straps that will attach this to your rear view mirror. So what you do, attach this to here, put the strap on, just like that, go around your rear view mirror, and there you go. As far as the plugs up front, you have a C port right here, you have a little SD card, everything you need. Your on button is right here. The best thing about this, it is voice controlled. You tell it to show the front, it shows the front camera. You tell it to show the back camera, it's going to show the back camera. Show both cameras, it's going to do that too. So let me get everything assembled and I'll show you just how nice this is. Hopefully I've given you a good vantage point. It's going to be gorgeous. And are you ready for the big reveal? Here we go. This is a touch screen, by the way. So we can remove this right here. And look at how clear that is. Look at that. Okay, you have all your guidance information right here. The date, the time, everything else is just... You have Wi-Fi so that you can download videos right to your phone, everything that you need. And listen to this, show rear camera.
Okay.
There you go. Show both cameras.
Okay.
Look at that, you've got the front one and the rear one. This is just so cool. All right, now on the screen, if you go to the home screen right here, you have the dash cam settings right here, front and rear. You also have the date and the time and everything. I need to set this. You have smart driving, okay? You have ADAS. This is your advanced driver assistance system that can help perceive the world in front of you. You calibrate this, it's gonna tell you exactly what's going on, help you avoid an accident. You have your blind spot detection. So this mirror and the system itself will look where your own mirrors and everything can't see, and if it perceives a vehicle, it's going to let you know and it's going to give you a warning. Once again, you have to calibrate that. You have lane change assistance right here. So if there's a vehicle right over here, it's going to tell you, you're going to get a warning once again, and you can change all of that information. See, alarm sensitivity, medium, speed threshold, it kicks on at 30 kilometers per hour. You can change it to miles per hour. You have an alarm tone, everything you need. You back it up. Look at that. Okay, now let's go back to the home screen. The File Explorer, this is where if you put an SD card in here, it's going to keep all of your files. You have your camera settings. Right now, the video resolution is 4K in front, 1080p in the back. Loop recording, I usually change this to 3 to 5 minutes. We'll put it on 3 right here. Collision detection, sensitivity, medium, that's usually what I set it on. Sound recording, timestamp, you want all that information on there. Rear camera's preview, you got the mirror right there, everything you need to know. Okay, you have the system setting. This is where you can go in and you can turn up the volume, the boot up sound, auto power on and off. You got the speed units, we're in miles per hour right here. So you can set your time zone, wherever you are. and everything you need. Language, voice control. You can select your alert voice, female or male. You can display the time. Look at all this information, and then Wi-Fi information. So again, you can transfer this to your phone. This thing is so very, very cool. But see how it's picking up the car right there? See how it's picked up that one already? That's going to help you avoid an accident. If another car goes by, it's going to pick it up and it's going to give you a warning if you turn on the warning. See, I'm not used to having a rear view camera. I do have one in this car, but all my other ones I do not. And so if you don't have one in your car, maybe you've given your son or your daughter an older car and it doesn't have a rear view camera. Plus, you're going to want to protect yourself from this. Absolutely, this is the way you need to go. Show rear camera. There you go. I'm looking for a pedestrian. But look how clear that is. So cool. Show front camera. Can you hear it say okay? And you can see, look at this. You can aim it up and down. Oh, this is so cool. This is really cool. And for the price, right now they do have this. It's like $110. It's on sale. Normally like $140, but for $110, you can protect yourself. This would be the best gift if you have a teenage driver, because you want proof should something happen. Show rear camera. Look at that. Even if you drive a van, you can put stuff in it, or a pickup truck, and you can use the rear view camera as your rear view mirror. It's going to show you everything you need to show. And the green right there and the blue to help you park. These are my neighbors here. Let's just see how this does if I'm going to back in. This is totally the wrong side of the street. But look at that. It's found all of the cars. Now we're just going to back up. Here we go. Look how easy that makes it. Look at how, hear the sound? See how it's turned red right here? All right, let's try this. Show front camera.
Okay.
All right, now let's go out and see if the car can find me. See how this pedestrian avoidance system actually works. Do you see me? Can you see me? Yeah, I'm just walking along. I'm on my phone. Oops, there's a car. See me? Ta-da! How cool is that? Very, very cool. That's going to do it for the Pelsee P12 Plus mirrored dash camera. We have 4K up front. You got 1080p on the backside right there. It is a large, super, super smart dash cam system. It is easy to put on. You can hide the wires. They give you a tool to tuck them in wherever you want to put them in. Even the port right here, you're not losing everything because you can still add a charging cord. Okay, so you plug this into your charging port. You have a cord right here. You can still charge your phone if you need to, and you are 100% protected. I think this thing is so, so, so cool. So if you want to get some more information on this, we're going to have more in the description box below. I'll tell you a little more about it. I'll tell you where to get it, and I'll tell you how to save some money. But for literally about $110, if you miss the sale, it's $140. This is way less than other dash cams, and it is so, so, so cool. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. I'm Monkey Wrench Mike. We're back with another video very, very soon. But please go check out the Pelsee.